Hello again. I just wanted to go over something real quick. I just finished Retro Bright on this console, this SNES. It's probably going to be the last time I do it. This is the third and final time that I'm doing Retro Bright on my console. And there's always some things that I always get confused on with this thing, and then when I see it, I'm like, oh, duh. And I didn't see any videos on this, so I just wanted to make a quick video on how to put this spring back in the console. So the easiest way to do it, I see a lot of people grab this piece first and try to like fit it on there, and then they shove it in, and it's just like not really working properly. They'll have it like this, and then they'll go and like slam it on like that, and it doesn't work. And majority of the videos that I saw, they don't put this in correctly, this little spring, and I didn't see anything on it, so I just wanted to do a quick video on it first. So when you take apart your system and you have this spring off, what you want to do is you want to orient it where the long one is pointing up, okay, and the short one is pointing down. And then what you'll do is you'll just click it in, just like that, and make sure this little one is under and this long one is over. Okay, that's the first step. All right, so it should look like that. Okay, now next, what you want to do is you want to get this piece. This is the back piece. Let's flip this over. So this is the back piece that goes here for the card slot. And what you want to do is you kind of want to put it in, but don't snap it in all the way just yet. Just kind of leave it like part way, just like that. All right, and then you're going to take this, and that long spring is actually going to line up in there, and it's just going to go into this little slot right here. If you look, you can see it. This little slot right here is where the spring is going to sit. So what I like to do is I like to put this on first and just kind of, you know, get it in there, not all the way just yet. And then I'll take the flap, I'll put tension on the spring just so I can push it in. All right, and you'll see I have it right there in that little slot. And then I'll just slide this in and then push down on the system to clip that in. All right, and then that's gonna hold it. It's not gonna be a snug fit, so I would suggest doing this last. You can see it moves around a little, and if you do like accidentally bump this, it will fly off. So I would suggest doing it right before you're about to put this guy back on. So this just goes on like this. Right over there. And that should be enough tension to hold it in. I've seen guys put that spring in, and for some reason they think the tension of the spring is supposed to be on the back of the console. Let me take this off real quick so I can show you guys. Hopefully it doesn't pop out. Yeah, so they think the tension's supposed to be over here for some reason, and it's not. Like if you have the spring over there, it's not very springy. Like the flap kind of sags down a bit, and you don't want that. You want it to be nice and taut like this. So I'll show you what I mean in a second. So let's get that on. I'm just gonna flip this over real quick to show you guys. But there, it should look like this. And this should be nice and springy, not floppy or saggy, but it should be springy just like that. Just like that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this real quick because I didn't see any videos on it, on just that part. And I've seen a lot of people, like I watched a lot of videos of them taking it apart, and they always struggle on this part. And a lot of times they'll just cut out putting this part in entirely. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video on that. Anyways, have a nice day.